Hi, this is Ashish Sukhadia from Gem & Diamonds. When you made your mind that you wanted to buy an salt and paper diamond engagement ring, the most difficult question arises is which shape of salt and paper diamond you must select, because there are so many varieties of shapes that is available in salt and paper diamonds. So let's see what different shapes of salt and paper diamond is available with Gem & Diamonds and which is available in the salt and paper diamond industry. And this particular video will help you not only determine that which kind of shapes you must select when you buying a salt and paper diamond engagement ring, but it will also help you decide your budget, decide on the what size salt and paper diamond you select and which shapes will suit your ring in a much better manner. So let's go forward with this. So very first, as usual, a round bullion cut. You can make a beautiful solitaire designs and solitaire with essence diamond ring with this. Second shape, and one of my most favorite, Pear Shape or Pear cut salt and paper diamond. This is one of the most preferential shape for ladies, and even solitaire designs, solitaire with essence and solitaire with halo designs goes well with salt and paper diamond, that is Pear shape. Ladies also prefer oval shape salt and paper diamonds, and solitaire ring in salt and paper diamond goes very well with the oval shape, and mostly people prefer 6x8 or 5x7 oval shape salt and paper diamond. Another one, and that is ladies most favorite shape, is Marquise shape. This mostly goes with either solitaire setting or solitaire with halo setting. And this is one of the best Marquise salt and paper diamond, having a very best clarity, and you can see the inclusion throughout. Men also prefer to buy salt and paper diamond engagement rings. For them, the most preferential shape is emerald shape. You can see this is a huge 2-carat emerald shape salt and paper diamond. Now we move on to geometric shapes, which is most common nowadays and most trending. People prefer to wear salt and paper diamond engagement ring with geometric shapes first nowadays. So this is a standard hexagon shape salt and paper diamond. You can see this is elongated hexagonal shape salt and paper diamond. You can see the beautiful hexagonal shape, elongated hexagonal shape salt and paper diamond. We go on having that is sphere shape, like a sphere shape salt and paper diamond, very unusual shape utilized for those ladies who have very thin fingers. Nowadays one of the favorites, that is Kite shape. Kite shape goes very well with the engagement ring sets, and this is also used nowadays in cooperation with when you wanted to make an engagement ring, and also prefer having 2 or 3 wedding band with it. And most preferable size for this is 1.25 to 1.5 carat. So this is Kite shape. We go on to some unusual shapes, we can call it the geometric shapes only, which is trending nowadays. It looks like a triangle, but it is having a broken triangle on all the sides. So this is a geometric shapes, very beautiful stones with very beautiful inclusions in this salt and paper diamonds. One more hexagonal shape we also call kind of diamond. You see that in cards when we play. So this is a diamond shape salt and paper diamonds. Solitaire with essence goes very fine with that. Also the halo designs, and people also prefer to make wedding sets and engagement ring sets with this. So this is a standard diamond shape. We have more diamond shapes. I would say that this is the exact, you know that diamond shape. This is a diamond shape in that proper manner. So this is a diamond shape that goes very well with each type of setting. Ladies prefer this because it's very unique. And just like this, there are tons of other shapes which we can make, like half moon cut, like full moon cut, like an elongated emerald, elongated cushion, elongated princess cut, cushion cuts, radiant shapes. So many shapes that goes into making a salt and paper diamond engagement rings.